Trade 3000 Alora Review. Scam or legitimate crypto trading platform. Prateek Arora last updated. July 28, 2024 at 14:11 GMT 3:10 minutes read. Disclaimer. The text below is an advertorial article that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content disclaimer. The text below is an advertorial article that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content since learning about crypto trading has become crucial in this rapidly changing market. Trade 3000 Alora promises to bridge the critical knowledge gap through comprehensive trading education. Resources. Similar platforms have made such claims in the past, so it is important to view Trade 3000 Alora critically. Therefore, this Trade 3000 Alora review comprehensively analyzes this website to determine whether it is legit. Trade 3000 Alora. Summary. Visit Trade 3000 Alora. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. What is Trade 3000 Alora? Trade 3000 Alora is a crypto education platform that reportedly connects learners with exceptional third-party learning resources. According to the website, these resources are capable of enhancing the analytical prowess of these learners. Through this approach, the platform states that it wants to bring inquisitive minds together, possibly forging a community that revels in the pursuit of knowledge and illuminates the halls of financial academia. This approach to navigating the complex terrain of the crypto market is worth noting. However, beneath the overly decorative terms that focus on upselling the content to literary experts rather than learners, Trade 3000 Alora doesn't provide much information. The educational path it reportedly forges for traders contains an interplay between investment education and emotions. The website's content mentions the presence of basic and advanced learning modules, which indicates a tiered learning structure. When it comes to discussing how it delivers trading education, Trade 3000 Alora only talks about topics like asset diversification, understanding the terminologies, and focusing on advanced trading techniques. When it comes to the medium of learning, Trade 3000 Alora only talks about video essays, articles, and books. Furthermore, the website's design also leaves much to be desired, showcasing an old site that doesn't load at the speed it should. That being said, the website says that registration is free of charge. However, it is not known whether the education provided is also free of cost. Due to these unknown variables spread across the website, it is important to tread carefully when dealing with this crypto educational platform. Trade 3000 Alora. Pros and cons. Here are the pros and cons of using Trade 3000 Alora to learn about trading. Pros. The platform claims to be user-friendly, offers a simple way to register, claims to offer diverse educational resources, reportedly has partnered with multiple educational institutions, claims to deliver high-quality trading educational content. Cons. No information is given about the founders. The website itself seems very slow. Fee details are absent. No way to assess the quality of educational resources provided. How does Trade 3000 Alora work? The inner workings of Trade 3000 Alora aren't highlighted. However, some details are provided about how users can learn from this website. First, it is important to know that Trade 3000 Alora doesn't provide educational resources by itself, but instead relies on third-party training institutions. These could be investment education companies or even crypto brokers who deliver educational services. As for how these lessons are delivered, we are still in the dark about it. Articles and glossaries could be present. However, since the website talks about analytical secrets and robust training, we can expect some video tutorials. Now, video tutorials could be pre-recorded videos or one-on-one seminars as well. The website does not highlight learn-to-earn mechanics, which is largely because it is not a trading platform. However, since it does say that some analytical tools are available, it is possible that Trade 3000 Alora also delivers an environment in which to practice trading. Furthermore, crypto assets may not be the sole focus of this website, since it also discusses forex, commodities, and mutual funds. The learning process may begin once users have created their accounts. However, the site doesn't say how users are partnered with the right educational institutes. Perhaps learners are given the choice to pick a suitable trainer according to their needs. Trade 3000 Alora. Top features. Listed below are some of the features that Trade 3000 Alora has highlighted on its official website. Swift and cost-effective processes. One of the key details highlighted by Trade 3000 Alora is that users can gain access to a simple registration form that will lead them to a portal, giving them latency-free access to educational materials. It also talks about learners not facing any monetary limitations. That could mean that education is free of cost or affordable. Beginner-friendly platform. The third key feature that Trade 3000 Alora has highlighted is that the platform is beginner-friendly. As such, novice learners won't have any issue learning about trading terminologies. The site claims learners are required to have zero background to join. The site claims abundance of learning tools. In a small section of the homepage, Trade 3000 Alora claims that users will have access to an abundance of crypto courses. Such resources, according to the website, might include digital books, explainers, analytical instruments for analyzing the market, and more. However, keep in mind that even the site has stated that the platform might provide these services. This may mean that third parties have a random approach to providing education. Support for multiple languages. Trade 3000 Alora also states that users will have access to lessons in multiple languages. Users can access Trade 3000 Alora in a variety of tongues, the site says. However, only French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and English have been highlighted. There might be more languages supported, as the site itself is available in more than 30 languages. But whether users will get access to the same services in all languages is not clear. Providing direct entry into financial markets. While Trade 3000 Alora portrays itself primarily as a crypto learning platform, it does talk about giving users access to a platform that could help them gain entry into the financial market. These trading tools aren't very well highlighted and merely indicate that some third-party investment education companies may also provide some trading services. Visit Trade 3000 Alora. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. Trade 3000 Alora. Minimum deposit. There is no information about any minimum deposit requirement on Trade 3000 Alora, which is probably because the website is not a trading platform but a training portal. However, since the site claims that users are given access to the financial markets, we recommend reaching out to third parties and asking them questions about it. Trade 3000 Alora. Fees. The official Trade 3000 Alora website does not provide information about the fee. The only information we could find is that there are no registration charges. Does this costlessness extend to the other features as well? There is no information about that. Therefore, we advise learners to get information on each partner's education company before starting their learning journeys. Is Trade 3000 Alora a scam? With the rapid rise of more and more crypto education platforms emerging in a volatile crypto market, it has become important to view every website claiming to provide educational resources through an eye of scrutiny. This is especially important for sites that don't offer much information to visitors, like Trade 3000 Alora, although the website is rich in content. It takes a very decorative tone, requiring visitors to read the content more than once to comprehend what is being offered. However, it is not guaranteed that things will become comprehensible even then. Another key factor to keep in mind with Trade 3000 Alora is that it has not provided any insight into the educational companies it has partnered with. No names are given, which has made us question its legitimacy. Then, there is the matter of the website's design. While the entire layout is similar to other platforms we have reviewed, the loading speed is slow. When the site was fully loaded, we ended up with a subpar platform, which indicated that the site was still under construction, making it necessary for users to learn as much about the platform as possible before proceeding. The absence of founder-related details is also a red flag, and the lack of fee-related information further aggravates this issue. On the other hand, the site doesn't necessarily claim to provide anything outlandish. Only crypto education is being discussed. Even though the list of lessons is invisible, we can make some concessions since the site is focused only on education. Due to these factors, we can't say for sure whether this website is a scam or legitimate. Users must assess the site on their own terms before proceeding. How to start learning on Trade 3000 Alora? The following process is necessary to start learning about Trade 3000 Alora. Step 1. Registering on Trade 3000 Alora. Users must first create an account on the official Trade 3000 Alora website. A simple sign-up form requires no in-depth details. To get started, enter your name, phone number, and email. Step 2. Pick an educator. Given how minimalistic the site is designed, users will likely need to pick the educator they want to learn from. We recommend assessing their histories and reviews before getting started. Step 3. Start learning. Finally, learners can access the lessons. We recommend reading carefully to check for grammatical mistakes or issues with the lessons themselves. If the teacher is incomprehensible, we recommend switching the educator. Also, see if trading facilities are available, since the platform's claims of acting as a gateway to financial markets need another look. How to delete a Trade 3000 Alora account. Since Trade 3000 Alora is merely advertised as a crypto education platform, we see no reason for users to try to delete their accounts. However, since many aspects of this website aren't fully trusted yet, it is better to know the steps of account deletion to prevent any information leaks. The process of account termination is not given. However, answers could be found with the customer support team. Have celebrities endorsed Trade 3000 Alora? No. Celebrities online or offline have supported Trade 3000 Alora or similar websites we have covered before. Trade 3000 Alora's learning resources, while deemed exclusive, may not be impressive enough to generate celebrity interest. Furthermore, if Trade 3000 Alora does gain enough traction to generate celebrity interest, we will still recommend judging the platform on its own merits. Who is the founder of Trade 3000 Alora? The About US page of Trade 3000 Alora doesn't provide any information about the website's makers. The developers are only described as a team of educators and financial experts who decided to create a platform that democratizes crypto education. It is a tale that we have read many times before from similar websites, which makes it clear that it is likely a marketing story. Latest Bitcoin news. Here are the latest updates about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has surpassed its $68,000 resistance and is inching closer to retesting its all-time high. Bitcoin's recent surge has been attributed to Trump's Nashville speech and the strong U.S. economic data. The verdict. Trade 3000 Alora is a crypto education platform that claims to deliver top-tier investment education via the help of third parties. It reportedly asks for no registration charges and has a good training structure. However, key information such as the names of the founders and details about the lessons provided is missing from its websites. The site's website is also unoptimized, which showcases that it is still new. Therefore, investors should take care before choosing this website to learn about investments. Visit Trade 3000 Alora. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. FAQs. What is Trade 3000 Alora? Trade 3000 Alora claims to be a crypto education platform designed to connect users with top-tier third-party educational resources. How much does it cost to learn from Trade 3000 Alora? Trade 3000 Alora has not provided any information about how much it charges for its services. That information could be extracted from the customer support team. However, reaching out to them is only possible through the contact form. Follow us on Google News.